So what are the laws and regulations that govern in India for curbing the fake news or the hoax news?
Sania, specifically in India, there is no specific law which governs fake news.
Yes.
That's a big trouble which Indians are facing today. However,
Yes.
there are laws which we can link with the fake news, which we can create a trouble to the people. There are laws pertaining to Indian Penal Code, which wherein the complainant can file a complaint. Government also can file so many complaints against the people who are putting up fake news. And there are provisions under IPC which are said to be 153 to 295, 505. Even a defamation case can be filed by the concerns who against whom the fake news has been served. Apart from that, with changes in this COVID-19 Disaster Act also has a provision under Section 54, wherein their false alarm can be raised and the government can take some sort of action on that. However, to govern the journalism regulation, there are Press Council of India, for broadcasters, there is Broadcasters Association. These all governs the news basically. But if I say the specific law, there is no specific law, but the lines of action can be taken from those laws which are parallel to it, like IT Act. IT Act says about Section 66 says about where person can be curtailed from putting up such news on a website,
Yes.
or which can create a nuisance to the public in large. So that's what the scenario is. However, if I say outside India, there are laws which been passed by different countries which are really helpful and has been curtailed the news basically of fake news on multiple levels. Germany recently in 2017 passed a law which is a network enforcement law which curtails the intermediary to be punished or to be penalized for any fake news, and he need to work as a uh, as always basically we can say uh, as a mindful or same employee or the organization to curtail those such of news basically.
What do you think are the way forward here?
So there are multiple ways which we can be built upon by the countries or by India also. One is the regulation and law which can be built up clearly, putting up fake news and with the penalties and with the scope which can be increased up to the level of imprisonment that can be there. One of the measures. Apart from that, there can be a technology companies should have self regulations basically which can govern the regulation. If you write to a technology company or social media company putting up that this is a fake news, they say please get an order from the court or investigation agency order to stop their news. That they'll not stop. That's a pain area for us, a pain area for everyone. So there should be a regulation, self-regulation, self-checks which should be in. WhatsApp basically has been as is approach is too high, and everyone depends on WhatsApp today. There are a lot of fake news today also as COVID-19 going on. Only thing is that
Exactly.
WhatsApp keep on coming up with some program which is there which helps people get curtail the news. They now have stopped forwarding the messages up to the level which is there. Earlier it was up to maximum level, now it has been curtailed. There's all regulation which is there, but it needs to be grown high so that self-regulations can be governed. Apart from that, we need to also have strategic communications with the people around. We need to have communications, learnings, awareness to the people what are fake news. Only issue is that how a person, a layman person can know is a fake news or not. That needs to be curtailed only by way of regulations, which I personally feel that is what required is.
Yeah. This was very helpful, Sachin, for us to and our audience as well to understand what is fake news and how it is governed in India, and at the same time, the way forward ahead, like with the adaptation of technology that's there, how the laws and everything needs to be updated with it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for being there with us. Thanks for taking the time. Thank you, Sachin.